To access the home page, first of all, you have to type in www.grabguidance.com. And to book a session, you just have to go to Find an Expert button, drop down button, and you need to choose your grade. For instance, you are a 10th standard student and looking some support in the area of maths, then you need to click on maths. And after that, you'll be landing onto the expert listing page. On the top, we will be suggesting top 5 experts from our end, and down, if you scroll it down, you'll further have many more options to choose from, and even you can load more. So if in case you find anyone's profile to be very interesting, you can surely check out detailed profile of them, and you can just see their credentials mentioned in the top, their availability, their experience, their education, and the expertise area, even the reviews people students have given specifically, and a demo session as well, how the faculty really teaches it. So on the right you would find, if in case you want to get connected with just for 20 minutes, you just have one question for instance, then 20 minutes you can choose, have couple of questions, 40 minutes you could choose, and if in case you want to get some topic covered, 60 minutes you could choose. So if in case I have just one question, I'll just get connected for 20 minutes, and the next availability of that same teacher would come here, and you can choose any convenient slot as per your wish. And here you could copy paste the query, type in the query, and even click a photograph and upload the document, any JPEG file as well. And on the right, you would see details of your complete session that you are about to book. And if in case you have coupon code, add in and just confirm and pay. We need to add at least something here so that we can proceed further, and we just need to, through the payment gateway, pay the fees. And after you do that, you can see on the dashboard under the session section, on the upcoming session you will have a session being shown here, and you could just see your past session as well. And similarly, join the class tab gonna come here, and you will just click on it at the time of session, and you would be able to get access to a view like this, wherein the teacher would be in front of you, and would be teaching you and solving all your doubts. Thank you so much.